Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the beauty boxes for March. I've only got 4 here today, and if you are new to my channel, I do try to list the subscription price of the boxes as well as the individual prices for the products. So the first box we have right here is Allure. Now this is the only one that I get that is a mix of full size and sample size. I will only be listing the full size price of the samples in this, but they are generous, so there's that. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So the Allure bag or box does come with a little pamphlet that lists the items inside of here, as well as a price and a brief description. So the first item we do have is a Maneater mascara by Tarte. This retails for $25. This is a full size, and I mean, it looks exactly like the packaging. It is black. I'm not opening the container itself, but that is the tube. The next thing I have here is BELIF Aqua Balm Overnight Lip Balm. This retails for $22. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is 7 ounces. This is 1 ounce. Let's see how big the actual package is, our container. So this is the container. I'm not really mad about it. It is kind of small, but I do like to keep one in my purse, even though it's not like a lip balm. I kind of use it like one if my lips are super dry, so that is where this is going, in my purse. Okay, the next thing I have here is Mudski Eye Serum. This is a full size. This retails for $63. I am probably going to put this into my next large giveaway. Not that I don't like the product, absolutely love the product, but I have more than one of these right now, and I'd much rather share it than keep it all to myself. Next thing we got here is Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin, encourage growth, and this is from MIELLE. I don't know. I know I'm saying that wrong. This is what the bottle looks like. It retails for $9.99. I believe this is a full-size product. It is. Let's see. Helps improve length, retention, invigorous newer scalp. Okay. So if you have a dry scalp, this might actually be really good and you might really enjoy it. So I may or may not use it. I don't know, but I think this is going to be a good one to try. Okay. So the next thing I got here is Hand and Body Goat Milk Cream, and this is a moisturizing treatment from, you know what, I'm not going to try to pronounce it. I'm pretty sure this is not full size. No, the full size is 3.3 ounces. This is, I think, 1 ounce. But the full size retails for $12. I'm still going to use this. I'm probably going to put this in my purse as well because my hands get dry sometimes and I need the lotion. Next thing we got is a sunscreen. This is COTZ Flawless Complexion SPF 50 Tinted Face. Yeah, it's tinted face lotion or whatever you want to call it. This again is not the full size. The full size is 2.5 ounces. This is 0.35 ounces, but the full size retails for $27.50. I am interested in trying it because I actually do like the tinted ones, because in the summertime and stuff I don't necessarily like the heaviness of foundation, but I still want my skin to look kind of flawless, so I will be trying that out. Alright, so the last thing we got here is CETAPHIL Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. I'm not really sure what that is. I think it's a moisturizer, but this is what the tube looks like. This is a sample size. The full size is 1.7 ounces. This is 0.36 ounces. Full size retails for $27.99. This is a really great brand for anybody that has skin issues and relatively reasonable. So yeah, I'll probably give it a try. Alright, we're moving on to the next box. This is Kinder Beauty. This box focuses more on natural skincare and hair care and makeup. So that's kind of their deal, whereas in Allure is more magazine editorial type products. This one focuses on more natural. Okay, so the first thing we got here is Perfect Liquid Face Mask, Pink Clay, Acai Berry, and Red Clover. This is just one use right here, and this retails for $4.75. I am probably going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway as well, or my next large giveaway, simply for the fact I have full size ones and I'd much rather let somebody else try something they wouldn't normally be able to. Alright, the next thing I got is eye balm from Laguna Herbals, and this is vegan. I'll show you this right here. This here retails for $60. Although I do have a lot of eye creams and stuff, I do like to try different ones, and I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm very interested to see how well it works. So I will be trying this one out. Okay, next thing we got is BELLE Natural Blush. This here is what it looks like. And this is Rose Autumn Plum Sugar. Those are the colors in it. This is what the colors look like. I kind of like them. I think they're very nice and neutral. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this so we can see what it looks like on my skin. Okay, so that's the blush swatched. Keep in mind that it would be more blended on the skin, on the cheeks. I do like it because these are actually colors I kind of struggle to find sometimes, and I think they're nice. This palette, I'm not sure if I already told you, but I'm saying it again if I did, retails for $25. And I also like the fact that this is pretty small, so if I do travel this summer, which I don't know that I will, but if I do, by some miracle, this will easily fit into my luggage. Okay, so the next thing I got here is J&L Naturals Mineral Deodorant in Orange and Bergamot. And this here retails for $13.99. I do like these natural mineral deodorants. I do use them quite a bit. They are better for you, so I do use them quite a bit. Alright, the next thing and last thing in this box is some Thera Intensive Body Cream from LAVIDO. This is a really nice brand. Their products are super nice. This here retails for $19, which for the brand is actually kind of reasonable, but you know, it's still a little pricey if you're on a budget, but these products, their products are very much so worth it, so I do recommend it. So we're moving on to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is their last Glam Bag Plus because BoxyCharm and Ipsy are becoming one company now, and I don't really feel great about it. And it's not the products, I like it. What I'm concerned about is price gouging 6 months later, because you've got two of the biggest competitors in beauty boxes becoming one, and they're selling it to us by, hey, it's great deals. And I'm sure it will be at first, but I'm concerned that they're going to be hiking the prices drastically not long after. But maybe they won't, but we will see. Anyways, this is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, their last bag. Now this one does not come with a card that lists anything, but we will go ahead and get into it. It does have this. I never look at these or read them, so I don't know if anyone ever does, but I don't, so it's going in the trash. Alright, the first thing we got here is a mineral sunscreen with Zinc, Oxide, and Broad Spectrum 30. Now, I really do love anything for sensitive skin. I think I've used this before. Can't remember, but I will be using this again, and I do like these because they actually don't bother my eyes, so that's a really good thing. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Calming Comfort Lip Treatment in Sweet Vanilla by Lip Love. So this is what the box looks like. It has the label there. I'm guessing this is like a lip mask. I'm not really sure. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it is like a lip mask at this point, but that looks like a pretty generous size, so I am happy about that. Still got the little label up here. Next we have Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick in, let's see, what shade is this? Pasadena. I've got plenty of lip colors in that shade, and I've tried Ofra lip products before. They are nice, but I don't really need this, so I'm passing this along. Alright, the next thing I got is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Bright Fix Eye Brightener. Okay, so I am not sure what we're going for here. I think this is like under the eyes or something like that, but let's see. I think it's kind of like a contour. I don't really know. I might have to Google it to be sure on the product. It does look like it's kind of concealer type product, if you can see it. I'm definitely going to try it. I'm just not 100% sure the intended use. I guess I will explore and find out what it does. Alright, the last item in that bag is Do You Boo setting spray. Now I can always use more setting spray, so I am good with that, because if you watch some of my makeup videos, you know sometimes I like to double set. And this is what the bottle looks like. I really like the bottle. I mean, it's not super fancy, it's basic, but it's clean, and it just looks nice. Alright, so the last box is the BoxyCharm. So this will be the standard from Ipsy BoxyCharm in the future. They're combining it to be just the base box. So hopefully we will all love their future products. I don't know, but we'll find out next month. Okay, so this box does come with a card, which I absolutely love the cards because they have the products and the prices and a brief description, and I like that because, like with that last product, I really had no idea what the intended use. So if I question it, I can go to this card and kind of figure out what I'm doing. Okay, the first thing we got is BELLE and ARGENT Tint Lip Balm for $18. I do love a good tinted lip balm because sometimes I just want some color. I don't want a full look. So that is something I am into. Let's see what kind of color this is. Okay, this is At Hello Nude. I do like this container. I think the purple's super pretty. This is not a loud color. This has kind of like a peach tint to it. I am keeping this, so let's swatch it and see what kind of color shows up. Okay, so you can see it here. It's very, very sheer. There is kind of a pink look to it. Or peach look, I'm sorry. But yeah, I do think this is super pretty. I do like the peach color to it, and I will be getting a lot of use out of this. Alright, the next thing we got is Cleansing Oil Makeup Remover from First Aid Beauty. I do like their products, and I absolutely love cleansing oils to loosen up the garbage I put on my face. I love makeup, but I think skincare is more important. If you want good makeup, you need good skin. So learn what works for your skin. It's very important. So this is what the container looks like. This here retails for $26. And I don't think it'll last long because I'm going to use it like crazy. Alright, the next thing we got is KO Life Niacinamide, I think I said that right, Booster. Okay, so this is a serum for your skin, and this here retails for $35. It's got hyaluronic acid in it and aloe vera, excuse me, and they're both really good things for keeping your skin young. I am going to use this pretty soon, so I'm pulling it out. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a very luxe packaging here. It has a glass bottle here. Very cute. Alright, the next thing I got here is Dew of the Gods, or Feels Dew of the Gods. And this is Squalene and Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. And this retails for $30. I am definitely going to be using that because I love my face scrubs. They really help get rid of the dead skins and actually help prevent breakouts. And oat milk, oats in general are really great for your skin, no matter what kind of skin it is. It keeps it hydrated and just, it's very gentle. Okay, this is what the scrub container looks like. It's actually pretty durable, so I do like that. I think the packaging itself is cute. I know not everyone's into the packaging, but I am. You spend your money on it, might as well be cute too. So the last thing in that box is Ace Beauty Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette, and this retails for $42. If you watch my channel, then you know I don't usually wear contour, but let me look at this because, like, I try to have at least a little bit of contour on hand because sometimes I do it, but it's mainly for like special events or something I'm doing late at night, which I usually don't do anything late at night. I'm kind of boring, sorry about that. So this is what the palette looks like. These might be too dark for my skin. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass this along. Like, I could probably make it work, but I don't want to have to probably make makeup work. I already have plenty of colors that do work, so yeah, this is gonna go in the next giveaway as well. Anyways, that is it of March's unboxing. Let me know what you think of these products down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the Ipsy and BoxyCharm merge, because I got all kinds of feelings. I want to hear what you guys think about that. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and if you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.